Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, December 28th, and today I'm in the front of the shop to show you a new offering for us and a quilt kit available. This is called Sassy Sunflower, and these are half-pack quilts. So the cool thing about this is you can pick a pack, and each pack has 5 half yards in it. And for every pack you pick, there are 8 pattern options. You can see a couple of these right here: hashtag, window pane, and quick strip. So you pick a pack and then you pick your pattern. The patterns, we are going to give you a checkout, one pattern for every pack. And the pack, which includes 2.5 yards of fabric, is exactly what you need to make 8 different quilts. Well, 7 quilts and 1 tote bag. So these are pictures of quilts that have been made by other people. So when you come in the shop, you can kind of look at the quilts, see what you want to do. Our staff members are also making samples right now. So we will have samples to share with you as soon as they get made, but this is all brand new. But we have 12 different packs of fabric you can choose, and those will continue to rotate and continue to be added to as they disappear. So you pick your pack, you pick your pattern, and you've got this great half pack quilt. So right now, this is not available online because of a problem with an app, but it will be available soon. It is definitely available in the store now. The next thing I want to share with you is this great quilt called Framed Boxes. I made this quilt a while ago with the intention of giving it to my brother-in-law for Christmas, and now we have some family members traveling there, so I'm going to be sending this to Ohio in a couple of days. So I wanted to share it with you. It's all made with peppered cottons, super soft, super snuggly. It's a very crunchety quilt. It's a free pattern from Free Spirit Fabrics, and we have it made up into kits here in the shop. So the kit has all the peppered cottons you'll need, along with the pattern, and the link for the pattern is right there. We have 4 of these kits left. It makes a really nice size quilt. It's about 62 inches square, so a perfect throw and a really quick make. So like I said, we have 4 of these kits left, and the sample will be leaving with me today. And we, of course, have more trivia. Let's get my trivia out. This is a big number. Anybody have any guesses on this one? This is the number of times that videos have been viewed, Cary Quilting Company videos have been viewed on our YouTube channel in 2022. That is a lot of views. So thank you guys very much. And this is an 89% increase over our viewership in 21. So we are really glad to have a nice crowd of subscribers and people that watch our videos here on YouTube. If you're watching on Facebook, you can watch either place. Super great wherever. This just happens to be a statistic we pulled from YouTube. And this one's going to be easier to guess. This is our review score on Facebook and our review score on Google. So I really appreciate all the positive reviews as well. I do know a couple people that just simply never give 5s. So I think the 5 is a little hard to reach, but I am very happy with 4.8 and 4.9. I think it's a good representation of our shop. And the last trivia for the day is Susan. Anybody want to take a guess at what Susan is? Susan is our most popular customer name in our whole customer database. The most popular first name is Susan. And so we guess the Q in Susie Q must stand for Susie Quilter, right? And then the question for today is, which anniversary is the shop celebrating in January? We have been open a while. We're having a big party in January, and we're just wondering if you know which anniversary we're celebrating. If you do know, you can win this cocktail hour 10-inch charm pack from QT Fabrics, and you can do your own celebrating with the charm pack. So let us know in the comments, either Facebook or YouTube, which year anniversary you think the shop is celebrating in January, to be entered to win the cocktail hour charm pack. And I thank you for watching. I thank you for shopping and supporting us, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.